Hi and welcome to Coffee Break with Vesa. So this time, try naman natin mag-vlog ng spicy noodles. Ano nga ba ang favorite ninyong spicy noodles na brand? This time, itatry natin itong buldak with spicy ramen carbonara flavor. So, as you can see, ayan, tatry na natin. And the egg looks so delicious. Ang sarap at ang ganda ng pagkakaluto ng egg. Na-try ni Papi. At the very first bite, ang score niya 1 out of 10. 10 being the highest, super spicy. Ang kanyang score ay 9. So, ayan na nga po, binabanan niya ang chopstick at hindi niya na-bet ubusin ng spicy ramen na to. But he said it's really good. Hindi lang niya carry ang super spicy noodles na to. And on the other hand, we have the carbonara without adding the sauce, the spicy sauce. Para naman sa hindi mahilig sa spices. So yan lang po, i-share ko lang sa inyo. This buldak ramen carbonara is really good. It's highly recommended. Kaya ayan, kapag may chance kayo, try nyo rin at let me know what you think about this particular brand. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking mga latest videos. Thank you and God bless!